Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn about data security and access level in Salesforce. So let's proceed by understanding what does we mean by data security. In Salesforce, data security is comprehensive of set of controls that governs user access and visibility to data. It encompasses roles, profiles, permissions to determine what user can see and do on the platform. Salesforce utilizes a flexible layered sharing structure. This includes organization wide default, role hierarchies, sharing rules, manual sharing, and criteria based sharing. Together, these layers dedicate who can access specific data set in Salesforce. Even administrators have the power to configure the security and sharing model entirely through the Salesforce user interface. Whether it is setting up organization wide defaults or defining sharing rule, it is all done seamlessly with the help of a UI user interface. Crucially, the security model configured through the UI is implemented at the API level too. So if a user has restricted access to certain record, object or a field via the user interface, those restrictions also persist in a API calls, assuring for the consistency across the interactions. Even this data security in Salesforce is not just about visibility. It also extends to action user can take, such as adding, modifying, or removing of information. These permissions are tightly controlled based on their roles and profiles. Moreover, the Salesforce data security measures play a vital role in maintaining the data integrity by controlling who can access what data and what action they can perform, and it ensures that the data stays accurate and reliable. So in conclusion, you can say that Salesforce reboosed a data security feature that provide a comprehensive solution for organizations to manage, assess, and visibility of a data, ensuring the data integrity and confidentiality. So with this, we discuss about the data security. Now we will proceed and understand by the what does we mean by the level of data access in Salesforce. So in the world of a Salesforce, data access is a multi-layered approach, ensuring the control and the security. So it has four distinct levels that perform the backbone as a Salesforce data access. First up, we have the organizational level. This is where we establish a security measure at a highest level of the organization. It maintains a list of authorized users, set password policies for enhanced authentication, restrict login based on specific hours and location. Basically, it ensures overall security and access control at the organization wide level. Moving toward the object level. It focuses on controlling access to a different types of object within a Salesforce. It sets the permission for users regarding the record creation, viewing, editing, or deletion. For example, different users have varied access to a student record. Basically, it is defined as a high level access to a specific type of a data object. Now let's explore further to the field level, where we assess the specific fields within an object. It controls visibility and editability of certain field, irrespective of the object access. Example, making salary information visible only to the hiring manager is field level security data access. Moreover, it controls access to individual fields within an object in one single line. Finally, the last we have a record level. It provides a full control over access to an individual record. User can view an object but be restricted to a specific record. Example, a training manager seeing a record of a particular course like a Salesforce. And this record level implement full control over who can access specific record within an object. So with the combination of these levels of security, it provides a comprehensive security and sharing model that creates different dimension of a data access control. Basically, it allows organization to balance overall security with full control over specific data element. So with this, we have end our today's session, and in the next session, we will discuss about user management in Salesforce.